just one single wire at the very center and then some gas. So if a particle comes in and it comes and interacts with the gas, it's going to make that wire move ever so slightly, and we can measure that precisely to know the particle that came through. I mean, we can't know exactly what it was, but we can know like its momentum and things like that, and then from that we can work backwards to figure out exactly what it was by going back through the calorimeter, through the tracking system, to figure out what type of particle it is based on where it deposited most of its energy, how much energy it had, what other types of particles were around, and things like that.